Most people know somebody who has blue eyes, and they may not think anything of it. I can name at least 5 of my friends who have blue eyes. In a Harris poll done in 2014, of the people who were surveyed, it showed that 27% of Americans have blue eyes, which is actually quite a large number compared to the 17% globally. The rarity of blue eyes can also vary depending on where you are in the world. In certain countries, it is almost unheard of to have naturally blue eyes. So, is the shock that people feel when they see blue eyes justified? Are they really that special? Well, that answer is actually slightly complicated. In the most simple terms, blue pigment itself is special. Blue pigment is actually the rarest pigment found in all of nature. So, if blue pigment is so rare, then why do I know so many people with blue eyes? Well, those people's eyes aren't actually blue. Blue eyes actually get their color the same way that the sky and ocean do, by scattering light so that more blue light is reflected. This means that truly blue eyes have no pigment, in comparison to brown eyes, which are pigmented by melanin, which is a dark brown pigment found naturally in a person's body. The iris, which is the colored part of your eye, actually contains 2 layers. One that contains brown pigment in almost every person, regardless of their eye color, and another layer that may or may not contain brown pigment. Whether or not the second layer of your iris contains brown pigment determines whether your eyes appear brown, blue, green, or hazel. So that rules out humans having blue pigment, but what about all the other blue animals in the world? The blue morpho butterfly has 2 sides to its wings. One side that is brown, and another side is the vibrant blue that we all see. Blue morpho butterflies have tiny transparent structures on the surface of their wings that reflect light. If you were to take a blue morpho butterfly's wings and grind them up, they would no longer appear blue, they would look brown. This is similar to the way that another popular blue animal gets its color, bluebirds. A bluebird produces melanin that would normally make its feathers appear black. These birds actually don't have any blue pigment. There are small air sacs between their feathers which reflect light to make them look blue. Delphiniums and violas are just 2 examples of blue flowers that contain blue pigment. So what pigment do these flowers have? Delphinidin. When trying to make a blue rose, researchers chose 2 bacterial enzymes that can make certain pigments naturally found in rose petals produce indiogyne, which is a blue pigment. That can make roses look blue. Blue pigment is so truly beautiful and rare. We all need to take a good look around and appreciate this phenomena.